Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you the gorgeous birthday nails to do for your big day. When it's your big day, you should go all out and make it special. After all, you only get one birthday a year. So grab your favorite outfit, make yourself a drink and rock some glamorous birthday nails. Because nail art is a trend that's only growing. There are literally nails for every occasions, but this includes birthday. This year 2023 birthday nails are more popular than ever. But what do we need to buy birthday nails? Typically, birthday nails are happy and upbeat with birthday cake qualities. Some of the top birthday nail designs include confetti nails, sparkle nails, polka dot nails, bright colored designs, and anything else that screams birthday. Today we are sharing our favorite birthday nails that you can rock for your big day. Birthday nail ideas. Birthday nail ideas and designs for inspiration. You can teach, you can learn in this video as well. If you do your own nail at home, you can easily add some of these designs using confetti or something else. Number one design is gold polka dot nails are some of our favorite birthday nails. They are classy but upbeat. Plus these nails are super easy to do at some home using any base color or you like. Number two, if you like a lot of bling, then consider be dazzled birthday nails. These are pretty easy for any nail technician to do but look super upscale. These stars are super cute, but they are also stickers that are incredibly easy to use. If you like more simple, clean lines, then try out these birthday nails. There's just a hint of a sparkle, but they are still muted. Marble nails are still incredibly trendy, and we absolutely love this look for birthday nails. Another classy birthday nail idea is pearl nails. Again, you can have your nails technician to do this. You can also buy stick on pearls on Etsy.com or Amazon.com. If you have a spring holiday birthday, then consider adding some delicate flowers to your birthday nails. Here's you go. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Take care. Happy birthday to you.